everyone, welcome back with the same topic, reflection and refraction. Till the previous video we have discussed about till the question number 16 and we have discussed about the reflection. Now in this video we are going to discuss about refraction first, and the numericals related to reflection we will discuss later on. So first question is here: define refraction of light and what is the cause of refraction. So we know that light travels in a straight line, a homogeneous medium. Homogeneous medium means medium of uniform density. But when a ray of light travels from one transparent medium to another, say just like air or to water or glass, undergoes a change in its direction. So bending of light rays on passing from one medium to another is called refraction of light. What are the causes of refraction of light? Because the change in speed of light when it passes from one medium to another medium. The phenomena of refraction is due to change in speed of light when it passes from one medium to another medium. So here is, we can explain this with the help of diagram. Suppose this is an interface. Interface is a boundary line which just separates two medium. This is medium 1, suppose this is air, and this is medium 2, suppose this is glass, and this one is the normal, and O is the point of incidence, and here is red color, this is incident ray, and this one is the refracted ray. So when light rays just incident here on the point of incidence which lie on the interface, it will bend from its original path. It bends from its original path, so it becomes a refracted ray, and the angle between the normal and the incident ray is known as the angle of incidence, and this angle between the normal and the refracted ray is known as the angle of refraction. So now the next question is here: what do you mean by the rare and denser medium? So it depends on the speed of the light. A medium is said to be optically rare medium if it increases the speed of light. Means the speed of light is more, comparatively more in that medium is known as rare medium. Denser medium, a medium is said to be optically denser medium if it decreases the speed of light. Means if the speed of light is less, comparatively less, then the medium is said to be denser medium. Suppose here we have to compare the three medium, water, glass and air. So water and glass are both optically denser than air. But if we compare only water and glass, then water is optically rare than glass. It means that the speed of light in water is more than the speed of light in glass. Now, what are the characteristics of refraction of light? So we know that when a ray of light travels from one medium to another, its frequency remains unchanged, but its direction, wavelength and speed change. Because we know that from in 9th class we have read this: V is equals to F into lambda. V is the speed of light, F is the frequency, and length is the wavelength. Lambda is the wavelength of light. So this remains constant. So V and lambda both are directly proportional. There is a change. So there is a change. So when a ray of light travels from one medium to another, its frequency remains unchanged, but its direction, the wavelength and the speed will change. So when a ray of light travels from an optically rare medium to denser medium, say air to glass, just like here in this figure, this is air. So air is a rare medium, and here is a glass. Glass is the, compared to air, this is denser medium. So rare and denser medium. So this is the line, incident ray. We can see here the I and R. R is smaller than I. So when the light ray travels from optically rare medium to denser medium, then suppose here air to glass, angle of refraction is less than angle of incidence. We can see here angle of refraction is less than angle of incidence. So the refracted ray, we can see here the ray is bending towards the normal. The ray bends towards the normal. Second figure, when a ray of light travels from a denser to rare medium, from denser, suppose here we have taken glass, and rare is air, denser to rare medium. In that case, the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. So the refracted ray bends away from the normal. So when the light rays, you have to learn both the points. When the light rays passing from rare to denser medium, the refracted ray bends towards the normal. When the light rays passes from denser to rare medium, they bends away from the normal. One special case is here when suppose the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of refraction. In that case, if we have there a special case is there, if angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction and both are 0, so what does it mean? A ray passing from optically rare medium to optically denser medium passes undeviated because it passes through the normal. So it remains undeviated. Now the next case is here. For this we have two laws. Just like the reflection, we have the laws of refraction also. The incident ray, the first law, the incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal at the points of incidence all lie in the same plane. This is just like the refraction rule. Second rule, for any two transparent media, this is important, for any two transparent media, the ratio of sine of angle, this is given here, sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction, sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant. The ratio of the sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant. So here we have sin I upon sin R is equals to constant. This constant we can be define here, we can be explain here, or we can define here with alphabets n or mu. Here I is equals to angle of incidence, R angle of refraction. The constant is known as the refractive index. This constant is known as the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. This law is also called as the Snell's law of refraction. So it can be asked that define Snell's law of the refraction. So you have to tell the second law. For any two transparent media, the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is a constant. We have to tell this. So this all we have about the refraction. These points, these are the 20 questions. So write all these in your notebook. So this is all about the refraction, the rare medium, the denser medium, the characteristics of the light of the refraction, and this laws of the refraction of light. So new term is here, the refractive index. Here is refractive index. So this we will discuss in the next video. Refractive index, this is also the important term is here. So this we will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.